Scientific study of Rig Veda, Class 1. Today we are going through certain nama from today onwards. In the initial stage, we are going through certain nomenclatures that are used in Rig Veda, especially in every Veda. It is starting with by referring certain nomenclatures. Let us first see what the first Sooktha says.
RIGVEDam Mandalam 1, Ashtakam 1, Anuvak 1, Adhyayam 1, Sooktham 1. Rishi Madhu Chandasa, Devada Agni, Chandasa Gayatri.
The first thing that we see is Mandal, Mandal 1, Mandal 2, etc. What is this Mandal? Actually, it is classification of these into different groups. We may call it as, in present day books we can see Chapter 1, Chapter 2, etc. Likewise, it is Mandal. It is divided into 10 Mandals. So, in this, there are 10 Mandals. And out of these 10 Mandals, 7 Mandals are Mandalam, are very important. We know Veda is the science that is behind this universe, behind the creation of this universe. That is all the science that there is behind this universe. Modern science also is a part of it that we discovered through our scientists. So it is a part of it. Actually, what all science there are, science and our other things there are in the universe, that knowledge is called Veda. So, these are there in the 10 Mandals. But out of the 10 Mandals, there are 7 Mandals are very important. That contains almost all the things. That means, since this Veda is knowledge or science, science and everything, science, arts, everything, all these are classified into 7 groups. That is the 7 Mandals. Important 7 Mandals. That we can see in the next class. All the sciences are classified into 7. At present day period also, we can classify it in 7 or nearly in 6 or 7 or 7 or 8 or like that. For example, the most important things are chemistry, physics, biology, economics, and commerce, like that. 5. There are 2 more. And maths can be included in all these. Engineering can be included in physics. Or medicine can be included in biology. Astronomy can be included in physics and like that. So, that type of classification at present time also is there. So, Rishis classified into these subjects into 7 groups And along with it, there are 3 others. That thing we can explain in the next class. So out of 10, there is 10. So main classification of signs is 7. For example, one may be thermo signs and so on. We can go deep into it in the coming classes. So these signs came through Brahma at the initial state. Okay, not a Brahma from Brahma. Later Brahma got it at the time of creation. So using that knowledge, everything is created in this universe. So in this story, there are 7 sons of mind of Brahma, Manasaputra. They are the rishis, Saptarshis, 7 rishis. That means science came through 7 rishis. All the knowledge we got it through rishis. So, since science is divided into, all the knowledge is divided into 7, there are 7 rishis who knows all these things. They are called as Saptarshis. How they got it? Because we know our progress is through 10 dashas, and the progress of human beings from human beings through human beings is through Kritayuga, Tretayuga, Dwapara, Kali Yuga. At the end, a beautiful world is going to create. Thereafter, that is the objective of this Brahman, to create a beautiful world. First it created this universe, then through human beings, it created all the things on the surface of the earth. So, at the end of Kali Yuga, a beautiful world is going to form with all the knowledges, with full knowledge of this universe. And that is there in the Vedas. So, thereafter Pralaya, or flooding of this earth take place. There are several types of flooding. Complete destruction of earth also is there. Complete destruction of sun also is there in different time periods. First, flooding take place on the earth's surface. So, some of the scientists escape at the end of this Kali Yuga at the time of Pralaya, and that is classified as, and they will take all the required things along with them. And the most important thing they will take is the knowledge. At that time, they will see the fact that in the Vedas every science is there. So there is no need to collect all the modern sciences and keep together. Just to take that Veda knowledge, they will escape in the outer space, maybe in the satellite or anything like that, because in the in the Padma Purana, there is a story of escaping through fish. attaching a boat on fish and escaping. And that is in the story. Actually, it may be through boat. At the time of Pralaya, there may be water only, so they will escape in boat or in satellite or anything like that. Some of them will escape. And they will, in the Bible also, there is that Petaga or anything like that. So, this science they will take along with it. But a single person cannot occupy, cannot understand all these sciences. So, it is divided into 7. So, special 7, since there are 7 classified into 7 types of specialists are required to escape, to carry these knowledges. And after Pralaya, they came back. Nothing there is in the universe, only this earth. Nothing there, not on the, nothing there is there on the planet Earth. Everything may be destroyed. So they will come back and want to start from Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, etc. So these 7 groups of people, they will be known as Saptarshis, Rishis, the most important Rishis, from which knowledge is transferred. They will first chant this science and transfer it to their disciples and so on. And so science is classified into 7. So those people who transfer this knowledge from the start is known as Rishis. So they may be known as Sapta Rishis or 7 Rishis. Thereafter comes our Vedavyasa and the other Rishis. They are the starting point. After Pralaya, they came back, and from there, the knowledge is going to spread. So, they wrote, they are called as Saptarshis, and they are the sons of mind of Brahma, because from there creation start playing. Every creation is based on knowledge. So, mind means mind, son of mind means mind is knowledge. Knowledge is coming from through the mind. So they are named as Saptarshis. There are different types of Saptarshis. This Pralaya is flooding on the earth. There may be complete destruction of sun itself, sun and its planets. There is another Pralaya, complete universe maybe go back to Brahma. There also the same procedure is taking place. Through the Brahma, creation is taking place. So through these 7 knowledges, it is every knowledge is classified into 7, and they are coming through 7 types of scientists that are called Saptarshis. So different types of Saptarshis are in each Manvantara also, likewise. Say, so they, after coming back, they wrote these sciences. Science is divided into 7 classes. These 7 group or these Rishis, escaped Rishis, first chant it for several months, several years through the disciples, and they wrote it. At that time, everything was written in a without classifying. If the first, if they write about the chemistry, some say chemistry subject, this second Sooktha may be physics, and the third may be chemistry or anything like that. There is no separation, classification there. They will write what all things they like without classifying these things. Sometimes first they wrote regarding the planetary system, then they wrote something about our human body or anything like that. But later, Veda-Vyasa classified into these 10 mandalas that we can see in the next class.